Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Brainly, a popular app that helps students get answers to their homework questions quickly and easily. Brainly is an educational platform where students from around the world can ask questions in subjects like math, science, history, or languages. The community of students and experts provides answers, explanations, and step-by-step solutions. Using Brainly is simple. You just type your question, select the subject, and submit it. Within minutes, other users or verified experts respond with answers. You can also browse previously answered questions or help others by sharing your knowledge. People use Brainly because it's fast, easy, and interactive. It's perfect for homework help, learning new concepts, or even preparing for exams. Plus, you can earn points for helping others. So, if you want homework help at your fingertips, Brainly might be the app for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.